Good evening, India. Welcome back to DJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. BJP refutes JMM claims on election bias. BJP rebutted allegations from Jharkhand Mukti Morcha JMM that accused them of manipulating the election commission. JMM's Manoj Pandey claimed BJP had insider information on election dates, calling the election commission biased. Senior BJP leader Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi countered, denying any such knowledge and emphasizing BJP's consistent work toward public engagement and inclusive development under Prime Minister Modi. Naqvi also criticized Kerala's assembly for opposing the Waqf Board amendment bill, accusing it of damaging federal principles. BJP reiterated its commitment to fair governance. Mayawati confirms BSP's solo run in Jharkhand. Bahujan Samaj Party BSP leader Mayawati announced her party will contest Jharkhand's assembly elections and Uttar Pradesh by-elections independently, with no alliances. Sharing the news on social media, she expressed her confidence in the party's capacity to contest both elections alone. She urged supporters to continue the movement for dignity under Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's principles. Mayawati stressed the importance of clean elections free from influence. Jharkhand's elections will occur in two phases, with results expected on November 23. NDA-India face seat-sharing challenges in Jharkhand. The upcoming Jharkhand Assembly elections see a tough competition between the NDA and India alliances. Seat-sharing disagreements are already causing tension within both coalitions. The India bloc led by Hemant Soren faces internal rifts and anti-incumbency pressures. The BJP-led NDA, though strong organizationally, struggles with veteran dissatisfaction as newer faces emerge. Both alliances face hurdles, but their respective strengths may determine the outcome in the November elections. Soren's leadership contrasts with BJP's central backing under Narendra Modi. Jharkhand's political instability with 13 CMs in 24 years. In its 24-year history, Jharkhand has seen 13 chief ministers, with the 14th expected after the 2024 elections. The frequent turnover highlights the state's ongoing political instability, often driven by party politics rather than public votes. In 2024 alone, Jharkhand witnessed multiple leadership changes between Hemant and Champai Soren due to legal and party issues. As Jharkhand heads to elections, the state's history of unstable governance raises questions about whether the next government can offer long-term stability. Seat-sharing struggles hamper NDA and India alliances. Seat-sharing disputes within the NDA and India alliances are complicating election preparations in Jharkhand. The Janata Dal United seeks 11 seats from the BJP but is offered only 2 or 3. The All Jharkhand Students Union demands a dozen seats but may receive only 5. The India Alliance, led by Jharkhand Mukti Morcha JMM, wants 49 seats, leaving limited space for allies like Congress and Rashtriya Janata Dal. Both coalitions must resolve internal conflicts to present a united front for the elections.